the Great British Bake Off week of BAKEMAS. Today we have a classic treat enjoyed by Queen Victoria. Just making that up. I have no idea if Queen Victoria enjoyed this. I also know the current queen is not named Victoria. It's pretty simple, it's great. It's Mary's recipe. I don't know that it's great. I know that it's simple based on the ingredients, but who knows? Maybe I might fike it up. Fike it up. Fike it up! I think this is Mary's technical bake. Good thing she's not here to try it. And good thing, I mean, you won't lie to me, but if we make Mott's try it, he'll totally lie. He doesn't know. He'll be like,
cool cake, why isn't there chocolate in it?
let's begin and bake.
Bake.
You could do this in a standing mixer, says Mary.
Dinner.
I'm gonna do it in a handheld mixer, with a handheld mixer, not inside the handheld mixer. This is just sugar and butter. And she doesn't say to cream it ahead of time. She says throw everything in there all at once.
No.
We're gonna cream it together. I know how to make cake. Imagine, famous last fucking words. Let's cream this together until light and fluffy. That's good enough for me. Ooh, Nana, come back. Now that this is creamed together, now I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time, beating between each, and we've got 4 eggs. Ayo, ayo. Now, once all the eggs are incorporated, it's hella fucking fluffy. I added an extra letter in fluffy and I'm not sure what it was. Now to this, we add our flour and our leavener, adding a little bit at a time. Now I have my 2 sandwich tins prepared. These are quite British because I got them from Jamie Oliver. Not like Jamie Oliver gave them to me. He's friends with YouTubers, so like it's not a far reach. He's just friends with really famous British ones. Sup, Alfie? Essentially, these are like loose bottom pans, which was my nickname in whatever, they're real pans. You can buy actual sandwich tins. Everyone who's British is like, of
Of course you fucking can.
So we're going to evenly distribute this in both pans. Hack, if you need to use something to scoop it and it's like, oh, it's gonna get sticky, spray a baking spray in there. You could use a scale if you wanted to get these exactly even.
AKA if you were on the show.
Yeah, but I'm not. It's fucking weird though that it doesn't have salt or vanilla. Like, what do you guys have against salt and vanilla? A little bit there, a little bit here, and I feel like it's pretty close to being even. The only issue is you can't hide it because there's no buttercream on the outside. It's like a naked cake kind of thing.
That shit scares me.
Like, you can't lie. That's close. I think, I don't know. We're gonna put it in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 20 minutes. And Mary says we're not allowed to peek at all.
Okay.
But at 20 minutes, we're allowed to look to see if it's done.
Okay.
But she suggests it'll probably take 25 minutes.
Okay.
I love being like bullied and being told like what not to do. I'm like, I wasn't going to do it.
A big piece I'm taking.
Okay, who's ready to jam?
I'm so excited you're making your own jam.
Are you? I'm not. I really regret this. I wish I had fucking bought jam. Now we're moving on to the raspberry jam. This was confusing as hell to me. I've never made jam. I don't know if I'm vastly disappointing Mary, but the instructions were very unclear, especially when she just said combine your raspberries with your jam sugar. The fuck is jam sugar? Googled it, found a lot of other Americans who are also Googling it being like,
What the hell is jam sugar?
so it's essentially sugar that you use to make jam. You can order on Amazon. I looked up kind of like hacks to it, and it has this thing called pectin in it, which I guess like is kind of like a gelatin or something that does a similar thing to consistency. So I bought that. I now have jam sugar, which has pectin in the sugar, but this is calcium water, which I also need to use. Whoever shat on Housewives and said that like, oh my god, she just sits at home all day and makes jam and cookies. Fucking hard. Got the raspberries in here. This is over medium heat. I guess I start with just the pectin in this. No, I mash the shanking them, stabbing them with a whisk. So now 1/4 of a teaspoon of calcium water. This is 1/2 of a teaspoon. I just forgot how to read. Wow, I bet that will do so much. Did I set a timer? Alexa, do you have a timer set?
There are no timers set.
Now we add in the pectin sugar / jam sugar. My body hurts. Okay, what the fuck do I do now?
Stir vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes to dissolve pectin while mixture returns to full boil and remove the meat.
So this looks exactly like the fucking raspberry coulis that I usually make that isn't this complicated. Oh, stop making noises. I'm gonna take this off the heat, put it on the trivet. Go away. And let's check on the cake. Okay, not done. Those look good though. Yeah, they look good. They look normal. Looks like a cake. Now it's time for the buttercream. So in this giant bowl, I have some soft butter, and I'm just gonna start by eating that. Just realizing how insane this butter to sugar ratio is. Now adding the first half of the sifted powdered sugar. My arms are tired. Okay, now in here, I'm going to be adding some milk and some vanilla. The milk is gonna thin it out, and the vanilla she didn't say to add, but like, what the fuck? I'm just doing it.
Quite thick.
Now it's time for assembly. These are the cake layers, starting with the ugliest layer, which is this one. Kind of looks like a burger. I am going to place it bottom side there. Jam goes next.
Really? Sorry. I don't know.
So now I'm going to spoon the jam. It did become very jammy in consistency. And weirdly enough, they don't have you leveling cakes. And that's something that I've always noticed on the show too. But I had to level the top layer. But this one's just not gonna be totally leveled. This raspberry though smells so good. Okay, sure. Is this supposed to be like for it all? Is it all of it?
That seems like so much.
I mean, it's a sandwich cake. Is it supposed to be like a peanut butter jelly sandwich? Now taking the buttercream in a piping bag, I'm just piping like circles. You know, if it spills out, who fucking cares?
Me, I care.
What's my logic? None. What's my plan? None.
Not judging, just watching.
Okay, I feel like this is gonna totally crush it and everything's gonna squidge out. Kind of like a sandwich, maybe that's why they call it a jam sandwich cake. Great, okay. Now I'm going to dust it with powdered sugar on the top. Cute. And Mary didn't decorate hers with anything else, but I would like to decorate mine just a little bit. So I'm gonna pick a couple raspberries, the prettiest ones. The ones who'd get picked first in dodgeball. A sprig of mint in the center.
Okay, that's beautiful. If that was like your technical bake, I think you could be proud putting that on the table.
I could floss, I'm so happy. Except I don't know how. Woo! Fuck yes! So, oh my god, I just fingered the cake. So sorry. Okay, now it's time for the taste test. Mott's is actually gonna taste. Baby, you almost ready? Yeah. Don't sound so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! Oh, well, sure. Stop it! Stop it! I did this! Oh, I'm so proud. I'm more proud because it's British. Is that weird? Hi.
Hi.
Would you like to try my Victoria sponge?
Sure. Ready?
Yep. Are you ready?
Yeah. Wow. It was delicious.
Are you lying?
No.
Are you saying that because the camera's on?
No. It's good. Jam's really good.
I made homemade jam.
It's good.
I'm so glad you like it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's all I need from you. 6 figures, I was on the phone. Love you.
Very good.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. There are only 2 more days of the Great British Bake Off.
Yeah, but they're intense days too.
There's been an iconic moment in Great British Bake Off history. Ian was involved. I'm gonna be attempting that recipe, so if you know what that is, comment down below. Haha! As always, I will have the link to my blog with like pictures and the recipes that I use. Click the notification bell so you know tomorrow when a new video comes up. I will see you guys next time. And by next time, I mean tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Happy baking! Okay. I feel like by the end of this, I'm just wearing fucking pajamas, being like, hello, welcome back, I am dead.
Happy holidays or whatever. Here's a baking thing for you.